Gentlemen, this is an example from British higher maths. Simplify completely. 3x squared times s raised to the power minus 1, everything raised to the power of 2, times 9 times s raised to the power 3, s raised to the power minus 3 times y raised to the power 4. Everything divided by 27x. Then please, before we go on, please help us share, make comments, like, please engage with this particular class. Now, so if you have a problem like this, you first of all expand the bracket. You notice everything is based on multiplication. It's very simple now. You are going to square, not a multiplication, not addition, not subtraction. So you just simply subtract, you simply expand, you simply raise everything inside the bracket, the distinct terms inside the bracket, you raise it to the power of 2. So we are now expanding the bracket. 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. 3 times 3. S raised to the power of 2 times raised to the power of 2 again. You know the product law of indices. This one is already raised to power 2. We are raising it to the power of 2 again. We simply multiply the powers. So that one will now give us what? S raised to power 4. In the same vein, minus 1 times 2 will give us what? Y raised to power minus 2. And so we put everything here, we substitute into this particular place. 9s raised to power 4 times y raised to power minus times 9 times s raised to power minus 3 times y raised to power 4 over 27 times x. Simple. Since it is based on multiplication again, everything, not subtraction, not addition, we multiply like terms. 9 times 9, 81. S raised to power 4 times s raised to power 3. First law of indices, common base x. What do we do to the powers? We add the powers. So if you add 4 plus minus 3, it will give you what? X. And that is s raised to power what? 1, which is the same thing as what? X. Then y minus 2 plus 4 will give us what? Y raised to power 2. Everything raised to power 27 what? X. So this x is going to cancel this x. So what are we left with? 81 y squared divided by what? 27. So 27 and 81 is what? 3. What do we have here? This s is going to cross this s. Y raised to power 2. This is British higher maths. Once again, help us like, share, propagate.